Welcome back to my channel, where I embark on a fascinating journey into the world of natural remedies and plant-based medicine. Today, I'm uncovering the astounding benefits of the bamboo plant. But before we delve in, a quick reminder. Disclaimer: this video is for enlightenment and educational purposes only, and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice and treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider for guidance on specific health concerns. Let's begin by examining the historical background of the bamboo plant. Bamboo, scientifically known as Bombusoideae, is a remarkable perennial woody grass that has a rich history dating back to ancient times. It's an integral part of the Poaceae family, and is highly adaptable, making it one of the most unique and versatile plants on Earth. Found in various climates, including temperate, tropical, and subtropical regions across the globe, bamboo is a true survivor. It can thrive in a wide range of soil types and withstand challenging weather conditions. With approximately 1,200 species and 90 genera, bamboo exhibits an incredible diversity. Bamboo is a familiar sight in villages, along riverbanks, near streams, in ponds, within forests, along roadsides, and on farms. While it can be found on every continent except Antarctica, it's most prevalent in Asia, America, and Africa. This plant is easily recognizable by its oval-shaped leaves and hollow stems, which feature nodes between segments. Typically, bamboo's leaves, branches, and stems remain green throughout their lifespan unless exposed to extreme conditions, such as fire or intense sunlight. Bamboo is known for its longevity, with some species living for up to 20 years. The flowering period varies, lasting anywhere from 6 to 12 years, depending on the specific species. What sets bamboo apart from other plants is its remarkable flexibility. Its stems can bend and twist, making it highly resilient against wind and severe weather, rarely breaking. In fact, bamboo is renowned as one of the strongest woody plants globally, boasting an impressive weight-to-strength ratio. Bamboo species can be categorized as either monopodial, running, or sympodial, clump-forming. Some well-known bamboo genera include Phagacea, Philostachys aureosulcata, Philostachys edulis, Philostachys nigra bambusa, Guadua bamboo, Wolf bambusa, Guadua angustifolia, Philostachys, sweet bamboo, Dendrocalamus giganteus, and golden bamboo. The value of bamboo cannot be overstated. It serves countless practical and beneficial purposes, making it one of the most valuable woody plants on our planet. Now, let's explore the remarkable advantages of bamboo. 1. Nutritional values. Bamboo shoots are nutritional powerhouses, boasting amino acids, magnesium, iron, and essential vitamins. They're a nourishing addition to your diet. 2. Chemical properties. Bamboo contains a diverse range of compounds like arginine, riboflavin, and choline, making it a captivating subject of scientific study. 3. Antimicrobial powers. Bamboo extracts have shown impressive antimicrobial capabilities, rivaling some conventional antibiotics. Nature's defense against harmful microorganisms. 4. Anthelmintic properties. Harness the strong anthelmintic qualities of bamboo leaves for crafting herbal treatments to combat parasitic worm infections. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Bamboo's anti-inflammatory prowess can provide relief for chronic conditions like arthritis, reducing discomfort and improving mobility. 6. Astringent qualities. Thanks to its potent astringent properties, bamboo is ideal for creating herbal lotions that staunch bleeding from minor cuts and control excess skin oil. 7. Rhinorrhagia treatment. Traditional herbal remedies crafted from bamboo can effectively address rhinorrhagia, or nosebleeds, offering soothing relief. 8. Antispasmodic effects. Bamboo's antispasmodic abilities make it valuable for easing spasms in involuntary muscles, promoting relaxation and comfort. 9. Aphrodisiac effects. Certain bamboo varieties are believed to possess aphrodisiac properties, potentially enhancing romantic experiences. 10. Anticoagulation. Bamboo leaves can be used to develop herbal medicines that help prevent the formation of harmful blood clots, supporting circulatory health. 11. Culinary delight, young bamboo shoots, tender and flavorful, elevate various dishes with their unique taste and texture, adding depth to culinary creations. 12. Livestock fodder. Nutrient-rich bamboo leaves can be used as fodder, providing essential sustenance to livestock, including cattle, goats, sheep, and cows. 13. Phlegm treatment. Bamboo-based herbal remedies aid in the effective treatment of phlegm, promoting respiratory comfort and well-being. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe. 14. Laryngitis relief. Bamboo shoots have been employed traditionally to alleviate laryngitis, easing symptoms such as painful coughing and hoarseness. 15. Febrifuge properties. Herbal medicines derived from bamboo can help reduce fever, bringing relief during bouts of elevated body temperature. 16. Antioxidant potential. Bamboo is renowned for its high antioxidant content, assisting in the removal of harmful oxidative agents within the body, supporting overall health. 17. Anti-cancerous properties. Specific bamboo extracts exhibit anti-cancer properties, offering promise in the fight against cancerous growths. 18. Anti-diabetic effects. Bamboo shoots and their extracts can contribute to the regulation of blood sugar levels, potentially aiding those with diabetes. 19. Balanced cholesterol. Herbal remedies from bamboo plant parts can assist in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, supporting heart health. 20. Skin eruptions. Bamboo bark can be decocted and applied to treat various skin eruptions, offering soothing relief. 21. Anti-leprotic powers. Bamboo leaves are traditionally employed in the treatment of leprosy, showcasing their potential in combating this disease. 22. Laxative effect. Pungent bamboo seeds serve as a natural laxative, aiding in the gentle and effective movement of bowels. 23. Aids digestion. Young bamboo shoots, rich in dietary fiber, aid in smooth digestion and appetite stimulation, promoting overall well-being. 24. Antibacterial properties. Certain bamboo species possess antibacterial properties, opening new possibilities in the fight against bacterial infections. 25. Stimulating properties. Bamboo leaves can act as stimulants, heightening physiological and nervous activities, offering a natural energy boost. Now let's look at some practical uses of the bamboo. 26. Construction material. Bamboo's remarkable strength and flexibility make it a preferred choice for construction, from housing to furniture, showcasing its versatility. 27. Electricity generation. Some bamboo species can be utilized to generate electricity, providing a sustainable energy source with higher efficiency. 28. Charcoal production. Bamboo trees, when burned, yield highly porous charcoal, ideal for various applications and as an eco-friendly fuel source. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of the myriad benefits offered by the bamboo plant. Nature continues to astound us with its incredible healing properties. Remember, for personalized advice on incorporating bamboo into your health regimen, consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Stay tuned for more exciting explorations into the world of herbal remedies.